Hello everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to close all tabs on Safari on your iPhone. If you often find yourself with numerous open tabs and want a quick way to clear them all at once, this tutorial will guide you through the process. Let's get started. First, open the Safari web browser on your iPhone. Check for any open tabs by tapping on the two rectangles icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This icon is your tab icon, which you use to switch between open tabs in Safari. To close all tabs at once, simply long press on the tab icon. After holding it down for a moment, a menu will appear with the option to close all tabs. Tap on this option and then confirm that you want to close all open tabs. This will close all tabs in your regular browsing mode. Now, if you're using private browsing mode, the process is very similar. Switch to private browsing mode by tapping on the tab icon and then selecting private. Repeat the same steps. Long press on the tab icon, select close all tabs, and confirm. This will close all tabs in private browsing mode as well. Another thing to note is that closing the Safari browser itself will automatically close all open tabs in private browsing mode, so you don't have to worry about those tabs lingering around. If you want to make managing tabs even easier, you might want to set up automatic tab closing. This is a handy feature that can help you keep your browser organized without having to manually close tabs. To set this up, go to your iPhone's Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Safari. Within the Safari settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Close Tabs. This feature allows you to choose how often Safari will automatically close tabs that have been inactive. You can choose from 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month of inactivity. Most likely, this setting is currently set to manual, meaning you have to close tabs yourself. By selecting one of these automatic options, you can ensure that your Safari browser remains clutter-free without any extra effort on your part. It's a simple way to keep your browsing experience smooth and efficient. And that's it. Now you know how to close all tabs on Safari on your iPhone, both manually and automatically. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. Peace.